Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I made this delicious Copycat Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana. Yep, you heard that right. It is pretty cold here, so this is perfect. Let's get started. Here in this pot, I am going to be using some hot sausage. I'm going to just use half of that. Now I'm only doing a little bit. So I'm only going to be doing a little bit of ingredients, but if you want to feed a big crowd, you're going to double the recipe. And I'm going to just brown this sausage. And once it's browned, I will be removing it from the pot. Setting that aside. And now I'm going to be adding in the bacon. For the bacon, I used about 12 slices of bacon and I just diced it up. And here I'm just going to cook them until it is crispy. Now, the bacon does release a lot of grease. If you like that grease, leave it in there. I do not, so I will be taking out some of this grease. Once I have done that, I'm going to be adding in some diced onion, some minced garlic, and chopped up. These are yellow potatoes. You can use red or just the russet, that's fine. I'm going to be adding in some Italian seasoning, some salt, and garlic salt, and crushed red pepper. Now the seasonings are to your liking. Add as much or as little as you like. And I will also be adding in some caldo de pollo. This is chicken bouillon. And I'm going to just mix all this together for probably about 3 minutes, not too long. And then I'm going to toss in that sausage that I had removed. I'm going to mix this in together. And then I'm going to be adding in some chicken broth. I'm going to add in about 1.5 cups to start with, and then I will see later on if I need more. And I'm also going to be adding in a cup, sorry, it's 1/2 cup of that heavy whipping cream. If I need more, I'll add more later on. And just mixing that real quick for about 3 minutes. And then I chopped up some kale and I'm going to be adding this in too. Now I did realize that I needed some more juice, so I added in some more of that chicken broth. And I did end up adding in some more of that heavy whipping cream. But like I said, you know, you just go with what you see and how you feel. If you need more of this or that, just go ahead and add it. And then I'm going to mix that in together, and I'm going to cover this and just let it cook until the potatoes are tender. And after that, I'm going to be adding in some shredded Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to mix that until the cheese melts. And then it is ready to serve. I did serve this up with some Copycat Olive Garden breadsticks, which you will find down on the link, down in the description box. I will have the link below. And that's it. It's ready to eat. I hope that you like the video. I hope that you make this recipe. It's really delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and add a comment down below. And we will see you next time in my next video.